Hello everyone, my name is Patrick Mungai. I'm the GOA Accounts Assistant serving under the admin in the Department of Finance. Majorly, I'm involved with work to do with the sustainability. Sustainability section in the Finance Department focuses on starting and running business ventures. These business ventures are geared towards generating revenue, and this revenue is revenue aimed at supporting the ministry activities and ensuring that the great impact that GOA has will be for a long term and will continue for many years and will continue impacting more lives. This is the office where I do much of my work. As you can see, it's a small place with so many files, meaning a lot of things happen here. We are happy now that the ministry has a new vision, and the vision is to build a dream center. This dream center, we believe, is going to create an ample space for business operations, and even create a central location for integration of sustainability projects within all the GOA vision areas. We believe that for these vision areas to continue with a great impact, they need to be financially sustainable, and this section of the finance department is determined at ensuring that it gives the right assistance, the right guidance, and in starting and running such projects. Currently, we have several projects that are in place and operating, and these projects have proved viable and support the ministry in big ways. We have like the GOA Circle. We have a farming project in Githurai. This project is run by Joseph Kamotho. Joseph Kamotho is one of our post-secondary students. He came into Maini when he was young, went through high school, and has graduated with a degree in agriculture. And this farm is giving him a platform where he's able to practice his skills and give back to the ministry. So these projects, they are aimed at creating employment for our youth, which is a big challenge, and more so creating employment to our post-secondary who have left home, gone through education, that they have somewhere they can put their skills. We believe with the Dream Center, more of this will be seen, more of this transformation will be achieved, because it will offer a great space, a great place where all these activities can be done efficiently. For example, for GOA Circle, we normally have management committee meetings, we have AGMs, we have trainings, and we believe with such a place as the Dream Center, these activities will be done successfully and in a good ample space. We also believe that when we have completed the Dream Center, we'll be able to do more of our businesses. We have an M-Pesa shop that we believe will operate in that place. We'll also have a restaurant. We will also have a cyber, and all these are going to support the activities of our ministry. It is my humble prayer and request to all our partners out there that would wish to see this transformation continue, that would wish to see the impact continue, that please support this ministry. Join in small amount, in big amount, all is welcomed. We have platforms where money can be given either through the existing platform, the bank, the till number, and all other channels that the ministry has put for one to support the ministry, to support this dream.